Hi, this is Susanna from Hold It Right There Sewing Patterns. Thanks for watching my Ludlow Wristlet tutorial video series. To make the Ludlow Wristlet, you will need to purchase the sewing pattern from my website at the link below. The purpose of this video series is to walk you through the instructions as you are making the Ludlow Wristlet. This double zip wristlet keeps your essentials in easy reach. The front zippered pocket is ideal for your phone. The top zipper opens to the main compartment. 8 card slots and 1 slip pocket keep your credit cards, cash, and necessities organized. The wristlet handle combines 2 fabrics for a unique look. A curved accent adds visual interest and durability to the base. Though only 9 inches wide and 6 inches high, this wristlet can actually hold a lot. To make the Ludlow wristlet, you will need the following supplies. For your main exterior fabric, you will need 1/2 yard of quilting weight cotton or lightweight canvas, 1 fat quarter quilting weight cotton for the lining and strap contrast. For the overlay accent, you will need a 12-inch by 9-inch piece of faux leather or cork. If the vinyl that you are using is very lightweight, you may want to add extra heavy interfacing at the very end of making your wristlet, and the instructions will show you how to do this. You will need 1.5 yards of woven interfacing to use throughout the wristlet. And if your accent piece is very lightweight faux leather, then you will need that 1 small piece of ultra firm stabilizer. You will need 2 9-inch or longer zippers. I am using metal number 4.5 zippers. Nylon zippers are also suitable. You can use number 3 coil zippers such as these. Using zipper by the yard will also give you great results. It's really a matter of personal preference. I've used all 3 of these types of zippers in my wristlets and have been very pleased with the results. You will also need a 1/2-inch swivel hook, 1 1/2-inch D-ring if you are adding the optional wristlet tab, 1 rivet and tools for installation. I am using an 8mm rivet, a washable fabric marker or friction pen, fabric glue such as Fabri-Tac or similar. You'll use the glue for placing your accent piece before you sew it on. Glue stick will work just as well. I recommend a walking foot attachment if you are using a domestic sewing machine. This will help you sew through the many layers of your bag without the layers shifting. The following Ludlow wristlets were created either by myself, members of my sewing pattern testing team, or by customers. I hope you find some inspiration to spark your creativity. Thanks for watching.